Hi guys, Steph here. Okay, so what we got for you today? Well, you'll know what we've got if you've read the title. These pens come in, well, they came in these sort of presentation boxes, if you like. No name on them, but they were like gift boxes for these particular pens. So I believe this may be sort of the original box. So let's pop the box to one side and take a look at this gorgeous, handsome fountain pen. What we've got for you here is a Mentmore made in England fountain pen. Let's take you first of all straight to the barrel imprint, which is, there it is, and as you can see it just simply says Mentmore made in England. Okay, I'm hoping I'm hoping that's just about it there. So Mentmore made in England. It comes in this lovely, attractive sort of marbling colour. It's like sort of red burgundy swirls, marbling with brownish gold sort of areas, if you like. Very attractive in my opinion. It actually looks much nicer in sort of daylight. It's absolutely gorgeous. This one is a button filler, which we'll show you in a moment. You can see you've got the sort of the blind cap at the bottom there, but a little bit unusual, or well, it's not unusual, I suppose. It's got Mentmore on the barrel. Most of the Mentmore pens had a model name as well, like Autoflow, etc. This one, if you look at it, for you people that collect Platignum fountain pens, would look at this pen and say, what you've got there is a Platignum fountain pen. And you could well be right, because the Platignum pens came in lots of gorgeous sort of colours, this marbling, etc. But they also came with this sort of chrome trim. You can see it's got a chrome sort of cap band there, and it's got a chrome, it's just a plain ball clip there. There's a sideways view. So the Platignum range of pens from Mentmore came with this chrome trim. Now to the top there you can see we've got this sort of black finial to the top, which, as we've just seen, matches the blind cap to the end there. So there's no model name on this pen apart from Mentmore. So again, for you people that know or don't know, Mentmore at the time, sort of maybe the 1940s, 1950s, had a subsidiary company, again by the name of Platignum, and they had a range of Platignum pens, and this is very reminiscent of a Platignum pen. Although saying that, as you've seen, it has the model or the name, the company name of Mentmore. So is it unusual? Is it not? Who knows? It's a lovely size pen, capped around about 126 millimeters capped around the barrel. It's a nice chunky 12 millimeters in diameter. Now if we unscrew the cap for you, show you the pen in numerous sorts of different angles, etc. A stunning pen. It's a gorgeous colour. I mean, when I saw it, as I say, I think I bought this over the weekend and worked on it for a couple of days, put a new sack in it, cleaned everything. It's in full working order and looking for a new home now. But when I saw it, I thought, oh, that looks attractive, let's buy it, which is what we did. Now if I take you to the section, again you can see, in my opinion, it's got it's got what looks like a Platignum section. Okay, looks very similar to Platignum pens I've had in the past. A little bit different. This one's got a gold nib, and if we just keep it nice and still, you can see it says Mentmore 14 karat gold on the nib. So Little bit unusual, whereas most Platignum pens had stainless steel nibs. You can see this one, excuse me, being a Mentmore, has a Mentmore nib. There's a sideways view. There's the feed underneath, nice and clean as always, and the pen is ready to go. A lovely comfortable pen to hold, a nice chunky pen to hold as well. And as we said earlier, we've got a button filler, which means we just simply press the button like so. Now, whoopsie daisy, right, I've just got ink all over my fingers so just bear with me a second. But because we've put a brand new sack in it, cleaned everything, I'm not going to fill it, but it'd be interesting to see how it writes. So excuse me, so let's see how it writes. So we've got a Mentmore, made in England. Some slight blobbing because I've put too much ink in it. It doesn't have a flexible nib, it's got a pretty well stiff nib, but writing, I would say, with a fine line. Writing nicely. And the date of this pen, I don't know, maybe sort of 1950s, maybe slightly earlier. And as we said, this one comes from, I believe, the Platignum family of pens from Mentmore. So there we go, there's a writing sample, writing nicely, I would say with a fine line, but a lovely pen. Let's give it a little bit of a wipe. What we'll do, we'll clean that after the video, ready for a new owner. An absolutely gorgeous pen. Look at that, as I said, in this golden sort of flex, burgundy colours, very sort of autumnal, if you like. Autumnal, is that the word? But a gorgeous pen. A Mentmore button filler fountain pen. I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen as always, as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Give the videos a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget. But for now, I'll just say Slavo Ukraini, and from me and this gorgeous pen, I'll just say bye bye for now.